Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to show you how to install the new CaptoSuite utilizing the new G Suite installer. So now we have downloaded the G Suite 2.0.148 installer file from the CaptoSuite, from the Capto website, and now we are going to open this file, and then we're going to run the setup.exe file. We're then going to press next here, browse. We're going to select where to save our G Suite. I'm saving it in my D disk, and I'm going to call it CaptoSuite 148 folder. I want to install it here. And then I'm going to press for everyone, press next, next, yes to this picture, and then close. So now close this one as well, this one, and here we have our CaptoSuite file. Double click on it, automatically opens, and it will automatically connect any gloves you might have logged on right now. So thank you for watching, and to the next video.